Good afternoon, sir. Are you Dennis Bauman?
Yes, sir, that's me.
Mr. Bauman, I understand you've been wanted by the state of Oklahoma. This is file 21815EX. You're presently living here in Centerville, and Oklahoma has secured a governor's warrant for your arrest. You failed to appear for your 30, 60, 90-day bond, and we issued a bench warrant for your arrest. When did you get picked up?
Yesterday, they came to my residence. I was actually in the hospital. I was due to have a back surgery for the VA, and that's why I missed my appearance. I tried calling my bondsman and everything and talking to her about it and seeing if I could make up another date, but I never heard back from my bondsman.
Well, I guess you could have just called the court, but I'm going to find you're in violation of bond. Order 1 day, credit 1 day, may be released to Oklahoma authorities. I don't know what you got going down there. It's going to mess up your surgery schedule. But maybe once you get to Oklahoma, you can post a bond.
I hope so. I've got a lot of good things going up here. I finally started my own business. Like I said, I'm due to have that back surgery. I've actually straightened up my life pretty good up here.
Well, I can't tell you any more about what's going on up here, but they want you in Oklahoma.
I understand.
So I give you 1 day, credit 1 day, you can be released to Oklahoma. Good luck, sir.
Thank you.
You're good to go. Well, Oklahoma, where the wind comes looking down the plain. All right, we're going to shut off the jail. They may need that room for one of the other courts. Now, we have a 1 o'clock hearing, which starts in just a very few minutes.
Am I supposed to be in here for any of these hearings this afternoon?
I think we're going to have testimony starting at 1:30.
1:30?
Would you take that out and give that to Jimmy?
Absolutely.
Stupid alarm. Hello.
Hello.
Just you and me. Have you heard from your client?
No.
This may be a real short hearing.
No, I did send him the notice on May 24th to the address on the notice.
I've got an afternoon full of zoning matters if you'd like to get in on some of that. Can stick around.
Gonna be setting up all the new felony appointments
Oh, are you on duty next week?
the following week.
I did do a couple this morning.
Yeah, people have been busy.
Well, when I came back from our trip, the jail population went from like 98 to 126, and I sent a sort of a joking, I said, what have you guys been doing while I was gone? And so I think some of those people are filtering through now.
Yeah.
They all waited till it was your guys' duty week to get arrested.
Yeah, that's how it feels sometimes.
Well, I'm surprised Matt's not here. He's usually right on the tick, and I don't know if anyone's coming from the prosecutor's office. Well, I didn't go outside at lunch today. I had to finish up the morning, get ready for the afternoon.
It's a little warm out there today.
Well, I missed my walk. Yeah, I've got, all the zoning stuff starts at 1:30, so hopefully this will be over with. I'm gonna summon Matt. Like I said, he's usually here. Okay, come on. I have to learn to patiently wait and wait patiently. Well, I'll call it. This is file 192482, People versus Herman John Hazema. This is a probation violation. Let me make sure he's not in jail for something that we didn't realize. It's always a possibility. He's not in our jail. Probation violation on a charge of use of methamphetamine. Matt Huff, his probation officer, was quite frustrated. Defendant continually missed appointments. I'll read the most recent status report, dated April 27th. Mr. Huff says, Mr. Hazeman simply quit on his probation after his January report. Should be noticed he was placed on probation in October of 20, failed to report at the start, was subsequently violated. He has not served the day he was supposed to serve. He last reported to probation in January. He's missed 3 consecutive reports. So I saw him, here's Matt now, at the arraignment. In my notes
Hello.
was, hello,
Oh, probably helps if you can see me.
maybe. When I saw him on April 19th, he had a whole different story, had a job lined up, and he was in treatment, and so I said, well, appoint an attorney and set it for a hearing. Matt, have you had any contact with him since we were here in May?
Mr. Heisman just contacted me yesterday. Excuse me. And I'm not entirely sure what exactly is going on with him. It sounds like he wants to do this still, his probation, but he doesn't really have any valid reasons for why he didn't report, why he wasn't doing the things that he was supposed to be doing. He still claims that he wants to get his life on track, which is what he told us back at the beginning of last time too. But he's still living in Centerville. No job. Nothing really new.
Well, I've got his phone number. He just lives 3 blocks from here. I'm inclined to go.
Oh, he's not here?
No, he's not here.
Oh, I can give him a call too.
All right, please.
Yeah.
Our clock is ticking, and I've got other matters set. And Jordan's time is worth $500 an hour, and this has already cost $78.
Not worth that yet, Your Honor.
Depends on who you ask. When Alex was at Jones Day, I don't know what they were billing an hour for some of that stuff.
Yeah.
They did a big pharmaceutical case that went to trial in Washington, D.C., and the attorney fees were over $1 billion. I think that's both sides.
Yeah, that's still, even with a high billable hour, that's a lot of work.
You probably never even sent anyone $1 million bill, let alone $1 billion one.
No, it's a pretty minor in comparison.
I think this is more satisfying.
Oh, it just rings and rings.
All right, no job, no excuse, and no show. I'm gonna do an immediate warrant. He already owes us some jail time.
I do want to add that I did give him Jordan's number too yesterday. Did he contact you, Jordan?
No.
Huh. Strange.
Yep.
Bench warrant, no bond, see judge. He had a job starting tomorrow. We had to add that. I only had 2 beers, the check's in the mail, I'll still respect you in the morning, and I have a job that starts tomorrow. Anyway, he's off track, and we need to get him back on track, but we need to hold on to him first. So no bond, see Judge Jordan. If we find him, we'll reschedule this. And he was also told to call you and did not. All right, thank you. We'll be in recess. I'll start my zoning stuff. If he comes rolling in here, I'm gonna have him come over to the courthouse.
Okay.
And we'll talk to him from the conference room.
Okay.
All right, thank you.
Thank
Judge,
you.
I have one thing for you, if you have
Right.
time for it,
Yeah, you want me to shut off the record?
if you would.
All right, Jordan, thank you. If he comes in, I'll send you an email. Thank you.
Okay, thanks.